Brad Hall here, very excited about this one. I've got the Michael Air Jordan 1 High 85. I'm gonna tell you all about this shoe, and I'm gonna compare it to the 2015 Chicago pair. All of that ahead. I've been really excited about this new version of the Michael Air Jordan 1. They're calling it the 85 because it's supposed to be even closer to that 1985 original version of the model. Now there are a lot of small changes on this one. One of the nicest details is a detail that you're not even gonna wear. It is this hang tag. It's got MJ, that skyline, and inside it's got info about the shoe. Really gives it that vintage, old school feel. On the insole, there's a vintage tag. Looks like it's done with a typewriter. The Wings logo is sharp, it's crisp. The whole ankle area, that is a different experience on these. Very different shape on this leather piece. And then this back ankle area, that is a lot straighter. Now the leather on this pair, it feels very different than what I'm used to on the Michael Air Jordan 1. It's a lot sturdier, it's a little bit shinier, but I think it's gonna be really nice because it does look to be very thick. It's the kind of shoe that you wanna wear once and then you wanna wear it again and you wanna chart your progress on how it's breaking in. Now comparing it to the previous Michael Air Jordan 1, that's when those differences, you really start to notice them better. You'll see the Wings logo, totally different on these two. I previously mentioned those ankle areas. The older model almost looks shapeless. This new one, so considered. A very subtle difference between these two is the texture on that midsole. Probably no one will notice in real life, but having them in hand, I just love that 85 look. After seeing this new shoe in person, spending some time with it, I would say I was not disappointed at all. If anything, totally surprised. It's what the remastered program, what it should have been, so I'm very happy with this direction. Let's see what it looks like on foot. Now, a really interesting thing, Michael Jordan's brand, they are gonna keep releasing both of these models, the High OG and the High 85, and that makes a really robust Michael Air Jordan 1 lineup. You've got the two pairs of highs, you've got a mid, you've got a low. I hope they keep going, blow this line out even more, and I have some ideas for ways they can expand upon it. Why stop at 85? I'd love to see a Michael Air Jordan 1 88, 95, and an 09. We've already got a low, we've got a mid, we've got two highs. I think what we're missing, an extra high. I'd love to see that. You're seeing a lot more people wear sneakers with dress clothes, but I'd love to see a Michael Air Jordan 1 dress shoe. I think that would be a very nice addition to this lineup. The low top pair, that is probably the best option for warmer weather. I would love to see that summer pair of Michael Air Jordan 1s. And finally, something a bit more practical, the Michael Air Jordan 1 Hospital. So that was today's episode, the Michael Air Jordan 1 High 85, an excellent shoe that I'm looking forward to seeing a lot more of this year. Thanks for watching.